Oh, hi, welcome to day 8 of the safety experiences that I had to have in life. This is a really, really interesting one because it's about the time that I met this fantastic human being called James Wood. James and I, as safety speakers, were in this sort of the similar industry where we talk to businesses and teams about our experience as survivors, I suppose, for want of a better word, workplace incident victims. And we use our experience to hopefully share learnings that you can take away and apply in your life. And what I love about James is and the sad part is that he's in a wheelchair and he hasn't walked since 1985, and that's huge. And what I love about James is his positive attitude, and it's like a lot of people that come through adversity, all of a sudden they come through with this amazing positive attitude. And he talks about how lucky he is from the incident didn't actually damage some of his functions. Yes, he can't walk. He can go to the toilet. And I still remember that because it resonates with me, because when I lost the use of both my hands just for a month, not since 1985, I couldn't take care of my hygiene needs, which was interesting. And it's interesting how we can find positives in really crappy situations. And James, every time I see him, I sort of think, wow, here's a vibrant, happy human being. And I'm sure he has his dark days, and like we all do. I just love his key message that life is about choices, and the choices that we make today affect tomorrow, and not just tomorrow, long term. And for him, since 1985. So if you ever get a chance to hear James speak, I hope you get him into your business, because he's an amazing speaker. He's an amazing human being. And I thank you for having him in my life. And stay safe at work. Make the right safety choices for you and your team.